friends, let me first introduce about me. Myself Jaya Kapse. I am lecturer in Physics Department, DSM College, Parbhani. I teach to you basics of lasers and devices paper. Do you know about this laser? How can be used in various fields? We can study in this paper. Let me first introduce about laser. Laser is a light amplification stimulated emission by radiation phenomena. It is a light source phenomena, but it can differ from other light source phenomena. So, it is a monochromatic source of light and it will be coherent source, but it can be differ from other light sources. It is a straight path of beam produces, it high intensity phenomena produces, very sharp intensive lines can be produces. It will be differ than other light sources phenomena. First we have all study about its applications in various field. Different types of lasers used. It is used in medical fields mostly and military services, radar systems and various types of fields it can be used. Laser beam produces straight forward source light source phenomena. It can be not any disturbance, light will be diffracted in straight way. So, we study about one by one unit of this laser. First unit we study about basics of lasers. In this basics of lasers, we introduction about what is mean by laser, how can be used in different types of field. Then second is interaction of light and matter, how can interact light in matter, quantum behavior phenomena of light, different types of energy levels, population inversion, thermal equilibrium, absorption and emission of light, Einstein prediction, and three processes: light amplification, high intensity phenomena, how can be laser produces, Einstein's relations, conditions for large stimulated emissions, condition for light amplification, population inversion, pumping conditions, methods, optical electrical phenomena, direct pumping, active medium, metastable states, pumping schemes, properties of lasers, different types of properties can be lasers produced. It will be studied in this basics lasers of unit. So, let me introduce about second unit. Second unit is optical resonator and laser cavity modes. Laser phenomena can be produces optical resonator phenomena. Optical resonator phenomena is produces a monochromatic source of light in the form of photons. It will be image create in the mirror form. It will be different two forms of images in optical resonator will be obtained. Then optical resonator, threshold condition, critical population inversion, condition for steady state oscillation, cavity resonator, frequencies, line broadening mechanism, natural and intrinsic broadening, collision broadening, Doppler broadening, laser cavity modes, introduction cavity configuration modes, longitudinal and transverse modes, single mode operation, laser rate equation, 2 level system, 3 level system, different types of up to 4 level systems we can study about in this unit. So, comparison of 3 level system, 4 level system, optical output power, different types of laser modes we can study in this optical resonator and laser cavity modes. So, we can study about third unit. Types of laser. In this unit we can study about different types of lasers. Solid state laser, general description, structure and working of ruby laser, ND YAG laser, ND glass laser, gas laser, different types of lasers we will be study in this unit. CO2 laser, semiconductor laser, population inversion, PN junction, laser condition, gain in a semiconductor. So, optical cavity, threshold condition for lasing, threshold population inversion and current density, power output, efficiency of basic laser structure, diode laser operation. It will be studied in this third unit. So, we discuss about last unit, applications of lasers. You know, lasers is a very important in various types of field. Lasers, optical fiber lasers, low power, high power phenomena can be generated for industrial, medical, communication application, high power gas laser material, processing with lasers, surface treatment, drilling with lasers, cutting process of lasers, lasers welding processes, lasers in nuclear energy, nuclear fusion, fission phenomena. Then medicine, most important in surgery, cancer treatment, biological effect of electromagnetic radiation, laser diagnostics, lasers in electronics industry, lasers in consumer electronics industry. We can study various types of applications